Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're gonna be from now onward, we're gonna be basically working with Realm integration, and we're gonna also refine our app a little bit more. Basically, include some minor polishing effects basically. Okay, so let me show you what the final product is gonna look like after the Realm integration and a couple of changes that um, we are going to do. So your home screen is gonna stay the way it is, but as soon as you click on run, this screen we already have built, but there is a little bit of change that I'm gonna basically try to do here. And one of the changes, if you notice, as soon as we launched the screen, we had an animation indicating to the user that this is a slidable control. So we're gonna add that animation, and we're gonna add this text, this shimmer text at the top, at the center. And if you notice, there is a shimmer effect, just like iPhone had, slide to unlock, sort of like the same effect. So we're going to be creating that, and I've changed the icon right here to have an arrow, to have basically an arrow pointing in horizontal direction, indicating that this is a slider, sliding only in this direction. If I try to slide the other way, it's not gonna work. Yeah, so that is one change. So let me show you once again the animation. So there you go. So this is the animation that we're gonna build, essentially letting our user know that this is a sliding control. Second change we're gonna make is gonna be on this log screen. So right now, if you notice in our last video, when we finished our app, we had indexes, but these are actual reported miles, runs, and basically some of the other information that there is. So so what we're gonna do is we're gonna store all this information inside a Realm database. Okay, that's going to be one thing. And then we also, if you remember, we made it unselectable, the table itself unselectable. But what we're going to do in this case is we're going to make it selectable and launch a modal to indicate or to show where the run was. Okay, so for example, let me find the longest run. Maybe this is a 1 mile one. So I'm gonna click on this one, and notice how we actually have this run. It started around here, and the user went around, and they went in this direction and then came back, and the run stopped somewhere around here. Okay, right there. So you're gonna basically drop these pins, customize them, and basically look at how those pins are gonna basically draw this line, the run location on the map. So all that we're gonna do in this, and we are also gonna create this view, this run log view, run log detail viewer. um, let's see, what did I call previous run detail view controller? Yeah, and we're gonna have this custom slider to slide it back. Okay, so these are going to be some of the changes from the UI side, but again, there are few more changes on the code side. For example, we're going to be adding a dependency for Realm, and there's a library that I'm going to be using for that shimmer effect. It's called Shimmer Swift. So we're going to be adding a pod for that. So let's go ahead and add our configure our project to get it ready for CocoaPod, and then we're gonna use we're gonna install all the dependencies and basically get going on that. Okay,